What if I told you one of the most beautiful gardens in the world is hidden inside a casino? Thousands of flowers, zero cost, open 24/7. Let's take a look inside one of Las Vegas's most enchanting secrets. Just beyond the grand lobby of the Bellagio Hotel sits the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens, a 14,000 square foot floral installation that transforms 5 times a year, celebrating the seasons, culture, and pure creativity. Each new display is crafted from the ground up by a dedicated team of horticulturists, engineers, and artists. Tens of thousands of real flowers, live plants, and sculpted pieces come together to form a space that feels alive, immersive, and unforgettable. This installation, from April 2025, featured floating floral bees, oversized blooms, and a pond surrounded by hanging wisteria. A glowing digital backdrop pulsed behind a curtain of falling water, where Bellagio's iconic bee appeared, subtle, elegant, and mesmerizing. The experience is open 24 hours a day and completely free to the public. No ticket, no line. Just walk in and slow down. You'll see travelers pausing to take it all in, families snapping photos, creators capturing every angle. It's one of the rare places in Las Vegas where the atmosphere is quiet, peaceful, and surprisingly moving. The Bellagio Conservatory remains a true hidden gem, constantly evolving, always worth a visit. It's a living gallery that honors nature, design, and imagination, all inside a world-famous hotel. Did you know this place even existed? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoy discovering beautiful places like this, make sure to check out more of our videos. There's so much more to explore.